Hello, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to give you an assignment which is based on using last hyphen child in CSS selectors. This concept I've explained in detail in the previous session. So after getting the knowledge from the previous session, you come back to this session and do this assignment. And as part of this assignment, you need to solve this challenge. Let me explain this challenge in a detailed manner so that according to my instructions, you can solve this challenge. So for that, you need to open the browser and go to this sample application page, that is omayo.blogspot.com. Once you are taken to this page, you scroll down on the left side, you will see this ordered list, right? There is an ordered list. Here, there are 6 list items. Now you need to locate or find the last list item. That too with the help of or by using last hyphen child in CSS selectors. So this is the challenge. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.